Got a minute? Let's unwrap some sweet Kit Kat secrets together. Number 1. Kit Kat was originally called Rowntree's Chocolate Crisp. Not as catchy, right? Number 2. The classic Have a Break, Have a Kit Kat slogan has been around since 1958. Talk about timeless. Number 3. In Japan, Kit Kat comes in over 300 flavors. Yes, including wasabi. Number 4. Kit Kat's unique texture is thanks to a secret ingredient, recycled Kit Kats. It's chocolate inception. Number 5. Kit Kat is the most popular candy bar in the UK. Cheers to that. Number 6. During World War II, Kit Kat wrappers were blue due to milk shortages. Who knew chocolate had a fashion statement? Number 7. The name Kit Kat actually comes from a 17th century literary club. Fancy, huh? Number 8. Kit Kat has a special edition gold bar that's literally covered in edible gold. Talk about luxury. And number 9. Kit Kat is the first candy bar to be made in space. Now that's out of this world. So next time you break off a piece, remember these tasty tidbits. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.